How to add my business to Google Maps. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Google Maps. And once you do that, from the menu list at the bottom, click on Contribute. And on this page right here, from these options at the top, click on Add Place. And once you do that, you will get to this page right here, where you will be able to add your business. Now, as you can see here, the first section, it says Place Detail, where you will be able to provide your place name, the category, the address required, and you can even edit the map location right here or enter located within. And the second section is about more details, such as hours, the contact from phone number to website, and the opening dates, etc. And you can even add some photos, etc. And once you have gone through all of these steps, depending on your business, it's different for everyone. Click on Submit at the bottom right, and your place and business will be submitted. And it's that easy and simple. So just go through all of these steps. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below and I will help you out. So that was it for this video. That was how you can add a business to Google Maps. With that said, see you in the next video.